Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on upgrading the RAM in your DELL XPS laptop. Today, we will walk through the entire process to help improve your device's performance. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools for the job. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and of course, the new RAM sticks compatible with your specific DELL XPS model. Before we dive into the installation, ensure that your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. It's crucial to eliminate any risk of electrical damage. Additionally, if you have sensitive data, back it up just in case. Now, let's open the laptop. Flip your DELL XPS over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. There might be a few hidden screws, so check thoroughly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger. This will prevent any scratches on the surface. If you find it difficult to remove, double-check for any remaining screws. Patience is key during this step. Now that we have access to the internal components, locate the RAM slots. They are usually near the center of the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for precise locations. Before handling the new RAM, make sure to wear your anti-static wrist strap. This will help prevent any static electricity from damaging the components. Remove the new RAM sticks from their packaging and carefully align them with the slots in the motherboard. Insert them at a slight angle and press down firmly until you hear a click. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help guide you through the process if you're unsure. Next, let's clean the internal area. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust and debris from the fans and other components. This is essential for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. Once the laptop is back together, plug it in and power it on. If everything has gone smoothly, your DELL XPS should recognize the new RAM during boot up. To check, go to the system settings and look for the RAM information. If you encounter any issues or if you prefer not to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service to help you. Finally, if you're considering further upgrades or repairs, always ask for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know what to expect in terms of cost and time. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded the RAM in your DELL XPS laptop. Enjoy the increased performance and efficiency this upgrade brings to your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.